Union Agriculture Minister Radha Mohan Singh is in the eye of a controversy for attributing the death of 1,400 farmers this year to reasons such as dowry, love affairs and impotency apart from financial crisis. This is 1,400 farmers who have reportedly committed suicide. Singh handed the opposition fresh ammunition in a sense by making that written statement in Parliament. The opposition says it only proves that the Narendra Modi government doesn't have empathy for the farmer.
When asked about the reason for increasing farmer suicides, the Agriculture Minister made a complete mockery of the farmers in distress. Radha Mohan Singh virtually wrote off debt as the big reason for farmer suicides across the country, and instead told the Rajya Sabha that the reasons for the death of over 1,400 farmers over the last year ranged from drug addiction to love affairs. India Today was the first to access the Agriculture Minister's written reply, and it lists family problems, love affairs, impotency, non-settlement or cancellation of marriages, illness, drug abuse and addiction as cause of farmer suicides. The minister came under immediate attack for his ridiculous reasoning. Leading the charge was Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi.
I advise the Prime Minister to tell his ministers to go into the House of Farmers and see what's going on.
The opposition too trained its gun on the Agriculture Minister.
किसानों को अपमानित करने वाला इससे बड़ा बयान नहीं हो सकता। एक तरफ देश का किसान मर रहा है भूखों, एक तरफ देश का किसान की फसल जो है उसका मूल्य नहीं मिल रहा है, किसान अपनी जीवन से लड़ रहा है। दूसरी तरफ अगर कृषि मंत्री इन सब किसानों की मौतों का ये सब कारण दे रहे हैं तो इसको जिस दिन सदन चलेगा हम लोग उठाएंगे।
They have completely and absolutely are making a mockery of the statistics. They want to, in order to hide their impact of their policies, which is worsening the agrarian distress in our country. They are now changing the categories of the statistics.
Under fire for his remarks, the minister later clarified, saying he only quoted data provided by state governments.
ये राष्ट्रीय अपराध रिकॉर्ड ब्यूरो है और उसने जो आंकड़ा देता है, जो विवरण देता है, हम उसको रखते हैं।
Even after the Agriculture Minister's clarification, this issue of farmer suicide and the statement of the minister would have rocked both houses of parliament. But disruptions were constantly going on and such important issues are being left out. With camera person Pinaki in Delhi, Ashar Khan for India Today.